woman smiling. And I will come to photos here and click on see all. And I will choose a suitable image for our design. So I will choose this design. Okay. And make sure you duplicate the page. Okay. And after that, I will just do the background removing here. So the background is removed, as you can see. I will change the background to another color. You can change to any color you want. This is just for the sample. And I will next click on edit. And then I will scroll down to duotone here. And here I will click custom. And in the highlights, I will write 6 times F. To make it as white, and I will follow the same for the shadows also. Okay, so this is done. Now I will just come here in the elements again and I will choose the square shape and just cover the parts which are getting covered for the image. Okay, and make sure the color is in yellow color, and now you make the background as white. Okay, and right click to layer to send it to back so that the image layer is visible. Now crop out the parts which are not required. Okay, and after that, so now I will click on share and click on download, and I will download only the first page. Okay, and make sure it is in PNG mode, PNG file type, and click on download. So I will click on add a new page and I will just re-upload the image which I just downloaded. Okay, and I will just again change the background color just for sample here, and here I will select the image and click on background remover. And now as you can see, the background is removed. Now I will come to elements here, and here I will write paper. I will select this paper icon and click on right click on it and send to back. And now I will just make it to the same size of the canvas. Crop out the parts which are not required. Okay. And after that, just crop out the paper part which is not required here. Okay, this one is done. Now change the background color to the same yellow color here. So it is done. Now I will click on share again, download again, make sure it is in PNG, and download only the page 3. Okay, now click on add page, re-upload the image. Okay, and now I will just remove this yellow part and click on background remover. And I will make it to the same size as the canvas, and now I will make sure I am bringing this image, removing the background. Okay, and I will just copy it and paste it in this page. Okay, and I will just crop out the parts which are not required, and after that I will just make the paper cutout part little bigger. Now I need to adjust it, so I will just Ctrl A to select both the layers and just crop out the above part also, because that is not required, and I will just select all and make it bigger. Okay, so now it is done. Now I will just need to adjust it accordingly. Okay, so the adjustment is done. As you can see, now as I make it more bigger, the adjustment will remain compact. And now I will just go to edit for the paper part, click on adjust, and here I will scroll down to click on clarity, increase it to 100. Okay, and use the brightness, increase it to 25. And now our image is ready, as you can see. And I will just change the background to show you. And now as you can see, the image is ready, and I will just lower the image so that it becomes more and more prominent. Okay, so it is ready and you can use it for any of your designs. I hope you like this tutorial, and make sure you subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you.